Twitch made an update to your subscription and loyalty badges that you most likely missed, where you can take your tier 2 and tier 3 and add a little extra flair to them to make it stand out for all those people that are giving that extra bit of strong financial support into your channel. And I'm going to show you everything you need to know about it, how to add flair, how to customize it, and more importantly, some cool tricks you can do. And we're getting started right after this. Hey all, Wild4Games here to help you become bigger and better. And if you don't have any subscription badges at the moment, hey, guess what? It's quite okay, because Own.tv has got your back with awesome sub badge emotes that you can get for an affordable price. Even more affordable right now because they got awesome coupon codes to help you save some extra cash. Simply go to the sub badge and pick out whatever grouping of badges you think will work best for you and your community. The one that I love the most is gotta be this hamster one. Hey, don't judge me, I love hamsters. I think they're cute. So make sure you head on over to Own.tv today through the links in the description down below and use the coupon code to save yourself some awesome cash and get some great designs. Hey, welcome back all you awesome people. In this video, we're gonna show you how to add flair to your tier 2 and tier 3 subscribers. It's very simple. All you really need to do is go to the top right corner, click on your icon there, and go to Creative Dashboard. When it loads, go over to the left ledger where you can go to Preference, and under Preference, you want to click on Affiliate or Partner, depending on which one you are. When that loads, go down to Loyalty Badges and scroll all the way down to the bottom where you will now see the brand new Badge Flair. To use Badge Flair, you have to make sure that you first turn it on. When you turn it on, it's already going to have a default tier 2 and tier 3 graphic that generates on top of it. The first one being a white star and the second one being a yellow star with some dots to it. If you want to use these, that's perfectly fine. If you want to add your own custom design on top of it, all you need to do is click on Upload Custom Flair. Now, just to let you know, these have different pixel dimensions, so please make sure you take note. You want to make sure you load graphics in at 18 by 18, 36 by 36, and 72 by 72. Also, make sure that these graphics that you're going to load in are going to be PNG and don't have any background on top of them. Otherwise, you're going to get a background graphic on a background graphic and you're not going to see anything and it's going to look like a pixelated mess. We don't want that for you. Flair is really cool because you can add your own little custom style. If you have Photoshop or a premium subscription to Canva or use anything like GIMP or Pixlr out there, you can take these graphics and knock out the background so that way it's transparent, and then save and load these graphics on and stylize them any way that you want. And once you're done with that, all you gotta do is click save and go to your channel and start typing in, and you can see the changes that are automatically made. So this way, when anybody new comes into your channel and they subscribe at a tier 2 or a tier 3, they're gonna see those beautiful graphics that you just loaded in. I really love this new update from Twitch because it makes it easy at a moment's notice who's tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. So that way, if you have added benefits in your channel or rewards, hey, makes it easier for you to flow your channel. Now, if you want to get more subscribers to your channel, I got you covered as always. I'm gonna put a video over here to the side that shows you exactly that. Awesome tips on how you can get more subscribers to your channel right away. Recommend checking that video out right at the end of this one. Until next time, I will see all you beautiful people in my next video to help you out. And of course, as always, take care, and of course, peace.